Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Bulldog WD20 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. If you have a bad potentiometer and you need to replace it, super simple, this is how you do it. The first step is we're going to have to remove this back panel. Now, in order to remove the back panel, we have to remove the knob from the squeegee lowering handle. Just like that. Next step, we're going to remove the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws holding the back panel to the machine. Next is the tricky step. What you want to do is take the handle, push it down slightly, and pull the back panel off. Now, in order to replace the potentiometer, first what we want to do is there's a little set screw underneath on the cap. We've got to take a flathead screwdriver and loosen that up. And then the cap just slides right off. Okay, next what we want to do is there's a little nut right here that is holding the potentiometer to the machine. Go ahead and take a pair of pliers and loosen that. Just like that. And now you can take your fingers and get that nut off of there. And there's a little washer that comes off as well. And then you can slide the potentiometer right out the back. Now, on the other side, all we need to do is unplug the harness like that. Take your new potentiometer and just reverse the steps to install it. Plug it back into the harness. Slide it back through there. Turn the backing around. Put that little washer back on it. And tighten it down with the nut. It's nice and tight. Now take that cap, slide that back down, and tighten that set screw. Just like that. We need to reattach the back panel to the machine. Now what you want to do is make sure that all your wires are not in the way of where your screw holes are going to go. Line up the handle. Push it down a little bit. There we go. And now you can free float it just like that. Get the top 2 screws started. This way you're not fighting it to line it up at the bottom if need be. Now take a larger Phillips. We're going to tighten all these screws back down. Just like that. Last but not least, go ahead and take your squeegee knob and tighten it back down onto the lever. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.